means we can have super fast broadband here, 350 meg broadband in a place that traditionally has only ever had really bad ADSL broadband. So you're going to see us today fitting the router, whacking the router into place, testing broadband and making sure everything works.
Oh, you remember the laptop this time?
For all of you, that is Chris taking the mic, because the last time she hadn't got a laptop.
God damn it, Sheb.
God damn it, Sheb.
That's good. So. Go to the New York and reconfigure the Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Ops was absolutely successful. In, out, shake it all about. We put in the new router, which allowed their new fibre broadband to work, as well as a old ADSL as a failover broadband. Tested, rebooted phones, rebooted network. Went around and tested. You'll see that we also tested in the New Yorker to make sure everything was working and connected over there, because these are all spots that are wirelessly connected. All good, all done, all rocking and rolling.